Alright, what's up guys? This is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Cadillac CTS with a 2.0 turbo. Here's the key. You can lock, unlock, remote start, and open up the trunk. So we'll just start up. You just lock it twice, hold this button down, and it starts right up. Up front you got your chrome grille, these nice LED headlights. Very beautiful. Silver CTS wheels. Also on the exterior door handles here on all four sides, you can lock or unlock the vehicle by using this button. Got your mirrors right there. Here's the window sticker, guys. Like I said, this is the 2019 CTS rear-wheel drive 2.0. Black Raven exterior with a light platinum interior. 2.0 turbo, 8-speed automatic transmission. Here's the MSRP of the vehicle. You get 22 miles per gallon city, 30 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. Got your gas cap right here, which you have to unlock the vehicle to open, which I will do right now. Opens right up. It's an easy fill gas cap, so there's no cap on it to screw off, anything annoying like that. You just stick it on in. That's what she said. And we'll head to the back right here. We've got these dual chrome exhaust tips, kind of triangular. Looks pretty cool. And we'll just open up the trunk. So you can open up the trunk with the key, or you just press that button right there. Got a large amount of trunk space. Also have this little hole right here if you want to stick some skis or anything like that through. Got some more storage right there, and your spare tire is right under there. Got your battery right there. And a little storage cubby right there. Let's take a look at the back seats. It's a nice light platinum interior with the wood grain accents. It's very luxurious and beautiful. Platinum interior. You got your center armrest right here. Little storage cubby. Your cup holders right there. You can also open that up to stick the skis or wood through, any long objects that you need to store back there. You have two vents right there, two USBs, a little storage cubby right here. Let's just hop inside and take a look at some features. Alright, so to start all the way up, you just put your foot on the brake and hit this button. Everything comes to life. Got your middle screen right here. This does have the auto stop start feature. So if you stop at a stoplight or something like that, it'll automatically cut the vehicle off, and then when you go again, it'll cut it back on just to save you gas. So you have all your information right here, your phone, navigation, audio, different options, fuel economy, miles per hour. And the same thing over here, but you can see it more detailed. It has your trip odometer, engine boost, all that good stuff. And it's the same thing on this side. Now right here you have all your cruise control. You have your hands-free Bluetooth voice commands, hands-free calling. On this side you can scroll through the menu using that. You can go down or up through your audio, turn your volume up or down by using these. You also have these nice magnesium shift paddles. You can upshift by using this one and downshift by using that one. Electronic parking brake. You can adjust how bright your display is. You got a little cubby right here. All your window controls right here. Memory seats, you have two different settings and one for when you exit the vehicle. You have these magnesium door handles. Wood trim right here. A little bit of storage, and these seats are fully automatic. You got your shifter right here. Nice crisp backup camera. Traction, and you have your different modes right here. So you have Tour, Sport, Snow, and Ice. And what that does, it adjusts the traction control, the steering, and your suspension according to what you put it in. Got a little storage cubby right here. Charger. Couple cup holders. And you have all your climate controls right here. You can adjust your volume, go home, or turn it completely off. Now to use this screen, you just simply tap your finger on there. It senses the heat of your finger. So what you want to do is you don't want to press on it like that. You just want to hold your finger up to it and it'll go accordingly. Now down here, you have a wireless charger for your phone, so you can just stick your phone inside of there and it'll charge. You got your auto stop start, which you can actually cut off, which is very nice. I know a lot of people hate that feature. So the good thing is you can just tap this right here and it'll cut it off. Hazards right there, glove box and your front and back parking sensors. So you just tap that, glove box opens right up. You got plenty of storage inside of there. It's lined with felt, which is very nice. Bose audio, couple storage cubbies right there. Yeah guys, beautiful interior, very luxurious. Everything feels nice to the touch. You got your center console right here, which you can open up like that. Oh, also you have a couple USBs inside of there and an aux cord port. So up here on your screen, you have your main screen right here, which shows you your what's playing on the audio, your Bluetooth phone, and your climate settings. You have your audio right here. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. Your phone, your climate, users. You can set different users for you, your wife, your kids, whatever. Settings. You also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. OnStar services, your marketplace, which you can download different apps like Wall Street Journal, all that stuff. Wi-Fi hotspot. This does have Wi-Fi 4G LTE built in through OnStar. You also have your little presets right there, so you can go through your audio, your phone, all that stuff just in the tap of a button. Yeah guys, here's the rear view mirror. OnStar's up there. You got some garage door openers, all your sunroof controls, which I will show you right now. So this has the moonroof in it. You can slide it all the way back like that. Tilts up like that. And also pull it back fully. Open this all the way up. It gives you that nice open air feel. And you can also close this back. But yeah guys, let's see what this 2.0 sounds like. I'm going to set up the camera back here, rev it up a little bit. Sounds pretty good, right? So let's take one more look around this vehicle. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this vehicle. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Yeah, overall, very nice, beautiful vehicle. Plenty of features, very luxurious. And also, this vehicle is at Hendrick GM South Point in Durham, over on the Cadillac section. So if you guys are in the market for a vehicle, definitely hit them up. They got a lot of inventory, everything you could possibly want. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Another thing too, we'll just take it for a quick little spin. So I'll just pull it in the drive, all the way back, and we're off to the races. That 2.0 is no joke, guys. It has plenty of power behind it. Steering feels great, soaks up bumps very well. It's nice and quiet inside of here. Handles great around the corners. Just a great driving vehicle, guys. But like I said before, this is at Hendrick GM South Point. They have Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Cadillac. If you guys are in the market for a vehicle, definitely hit them up. I'll put their stuff down below. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.